Hey, it's David Bear, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the private label rights platform called PLR-Me. So PLR-Me is a done-for-you content platform for coaches, consultants, trainers, etc., helping you easily and quickly create content for things like membership sites, for your blog, for your email, for your social media content, and so much more. If you're looking for ways to create content, get it out there for your public, for your audience, this is a great tool to have in your toolbox. Let me show you a little bit about what's inside the platform. So there's a range of different types of products, from things that you can give away or post online publicly to things like checklists or worksheets. There's even a few courses, and there's a whole bunch of slide decks that you can use to create your own presentations for webinars, etc. So let me give you a couple of ideas of the types of things that you might be able to find in here. Let's say you are a coach who works with people dealing with emotional or physical health issues. There's a slew of content in here to help support the type of messaging and content you want to bring to your audience. But there's also a great deal of content for things like dating and relationships, or even business coaches who are looking to help guide a business owner through the logistics of marketing or business operations, and then also the mindset stuff that you might need to help a business owner with as well. So let's take a look at something like the slide deck presentations, just so you can see the range of things that exist in here. Overall, PLR-Me has almost 15,000 different pieces of content that you can choose from. Here are 122 plus slide deck presentations in a whole bunch of different disciplines. You can see the range of things that are here. Now, the way that this platform works is that it's on a credit system. You can see that this is 10 credits for this particular slide presentation, and if you scroll down, most of them are 10 credits. A credit is basically going to give you an article or a blog post or something, and then some of the bigger packages like slide decks may cost you 10. You may find that there are entire bundles like full courses that are going to be much more significant in terms of the number of credits that you need to invest in them. And the way that you get your credits, you can either subscribe and get X number of credits per year. For example, I think I was on the 400 credits a year for 300 some odd dollars, and that gave me basically 400 different articles that I was able to publish on a website, or 400 different social media pieces, and then I could take those and repurpose them in other ways, so I didn't have just one use for each of them. So, you know, it's less than $1 per use for an article, for example. Imagine, 10 credits to be able to put together a webinar presentation quickly and easily. So there are tons of different webinars in here. Let's take a look over here on the left-hand side. You can see the different categories. So in here, 15 self-improvement, 14 dating and relationship, 13 around business and marketing, 9 around career and jobs, and so on. So you can see that there's a good range of different things, and obviously you can find ways to take one thing. Remember, I was talking about, if you're a business coach, for example, taking mindset or other self-improvement content and utilizing it in your business as well. So you don't need to write stuff from scratch. You don't need to hire and babysit copywriters or freelancers. You really don't even need to worry about the next post that you're going to create, because when you are using a platform like PLR-Me, you have the ability to go in, find something that is usable, pull it out, and then use it for whatever purpose that might be, whether it's a blog post, an article, an email, a presentation that you're doing, a training, even a product that you're creating. Remember, these could easily be turned into not just a free webinar, but you can take these and adapt them into a product that you then charge people money for. So there's all kinds of different uses for the stuff here inside PLR.me. If you're interested in learning more and grabbing access to your own account, there's a link under this video. Go ahead and click it, and it'll take you over to get set up with your own PLR.me account. I'm David Baer from Baer on Marketing, and this is a quick look at the private label website, PLR.me. Oh, hey, before you go, if you liked the video, hit the like button. And if you got a comment, please leave one. And finally, don't forget to subscribe.